Today, most of the chiffon available is made out of rayon and nylon. We are working with an artist who does beautiful hand painting, and we specially commissioned this beautiful form of two leaves and a flower, white flowers with beautiful pistils in orange. The white flowers and dark orange corolla in the center. Top and the bottom, you have lovely golden zari. Nice long vine, so it almost extends to the height of the sari. It's really nice. I think probably crush the whole sari into my hands. I crush it. It's so sheer and so delicate. I'm sure you'll enjoy touching, feeling, and draping this sari, and it will be sensational when you wear it. Those of you who are particular about vegan saris, this is part of our vegan collection. This is 100% vegan. Hello Avishya fans. I'm so happy to be meeting you today. Today is the day after Diwali, so you must have had a wonderful Diwali celebration yesterday. Lots of sweets, crackers, meeting friends, family. I'm sure you would have had a wonderful time. I hope you all had a wonderful Diwali. Today in the Avishya Saree Story series, I'm going to bring you a very special collection. In the Saree Story series, we're going to be talking about hand-painted chiffon sarees today. Now, what is chiffon? Lots of people have different perceptions. Chiffon is a very finely, sheerly woven fabric. It was a time past, long time ago. Chiffons used to be woven out of pure silk, and it was very expensive because the weaving is very skillful. The yarn needs to be very thin, very high counts needs to be used, so that finally you get a very gossamer thin fabric, which if you come close with a magnifying glass, you can actually see the strands. You can see the strands of the yarn very thin. So that is how the silk chiffon evolved. Today, most of the chiffon available is made out of rayon and nylon, and it's far more easier to weave these days, but it's still very special. The process is very special, and even today chiffons are considered a luxury fabric because of the sheerness of the weave, the thinness, lightness of the weave, and the way it drapes on the body. It's a fabulous fashion fabric. People have been using it for various things. Apart from sarees, people use chiffons for gowns, dresses, for making parts of the attire in different outfits, the sleeves, the yoke, the back, and so on. So it's a very versatile fabric, and we are very happy to be bringing you a wonderful collection of hand-painted chiffon sarees. Now, the reason why this is very special today is that we are working with an artist who does beautiful hand painting, and we specially commissioned this from them so that they use the loveliness and the sheerness and the lightness of the chiffon fabric. And chiffon also, because of the nature of the weave, it takes paint very nicely. It covers very nicely, and the prints are the painting comes out very beautifully in chiffon. That's why we are bringing this collection today. So let me start with the first saree and take you through the details of hand-painted chiffon saree. We'll start off with this beautiful cranberry purple hand-painted chiffon saree. And first, if you can come closer, camera, you can see the beauty of this painting. It's a lovely, beautiful form of two leaves and a flower. In a certain angle, it also looks like a butterfly. It's kind of an abstract painting. It's very nice. I'll open this out for you so that you can see the beauty of the painting. I have to do this a little carefully because chiffon is so soft and kind of very the fall and the feel is so beautiful. It's really pretty. You can see how the artist has done delicate work on the saree. Beautiful painting. The color is so beautiful, and the fabric, I must tell you, the feel on my arms as I'm holding this, I can imagine how lovely when it's draped as a saree. The drape and the fall will be really soft and really sensuous. Very nice. So this is how the painting is all over. Beautiful kind of abstract floral painting. It's a leaf with the plant with leaves with some flowers on the cranberry purple background. The greens are very nice. The blues nice. It's stunning. The blues are standing out. It's very pretty. And of course, the white stem is the standout feature. It's really standing beautifully. I'll open it out one more fold to show this to you. And yeah, just open it out one more. You need to see the sheerness of fabric. Really sheer. If you feel it's a really lovely fabric. I'll just put my arms under the fabric so that you can feel how nice. It's really luxurious. So soft, woven so well. It's really high quality weaving, and you can imagine how a saree like this will feel and look when you drape the saree. So this is the beauty of this lovely cranberry purple hand painted chiffon saree. And one thing you must note that this is also a vegan saree because this is made from rayons and nylon. This is not pure silk chiffon. So for those of you who are vegans, where it's important that you don't use silk, this is a 100% vegan chiffon saree. Now we'll have a look at this beautiful, lovely cloud gray hand painted chiffon saree. I'll just open it out for you. The camera can come a little closer to take a look at it. beautiful artistic painting which has been done on the saree. It's really pretty. As you can see on the cloud gray, there's a lovely white flowers with beautiful pistils in orange. The pistils are coming from the center, beautiful orange pistils, and of course the green leaves around it. And it's very subtle and classy. It's really nice. And these sarees, of course, have a lovely zari edging on top and the bottom. Lovely zari edging, as you can see. So it's a really pretty saree, and the painting is all over. I'm not opening it out further because I have a little bit of difficulty pouring it again. It's so soft, the fabric. You must come closer. I'll just put my hand. So beautiful. The fabric is so nice. The fall is so good, and this is something which you really have to experience. I mean, it's so soft and sensuous on my arm. It's really nice. A very pretty cloud gray hand painted chiffon saree. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we'll have a look at this beautiful custard orange hand painted chiffon saree. I'll just open it out a little by little to show you the beauty of the saree. Fabulous. The feel of the fabric. Lovely chiffon fabric is so nice. Really good. Wow, it's gorgeous. Painting is so subtle. As you can see, the lovely light custard orange background, the white flowers and the dark orange corolla in the center, and beautiful green leaves. And this thing is replicated all over the saree. The same thing is repeated. So it looks really beautiful. I'll flip it around the other side also. Beautiful. Really nice. Fabulous. It looks amazing. So this is the kind of feel of the saree. It's so soft. It's so nice. Again, it's high quality chiffon, really woven to perfection. And I'll just show you the thinness, sheerness of the fabric. It's so nice. Come closer, you can see literally the weaving, almost like a mesh. Very thin, very sensuous, very fabulous weaving. And I'm sure for those of you who love chiffon, this is an amazing choice of color. Next, we'll have a look at this beautiful sky blue hand painted chiffon saree. I'll just open it out for you. Wow, nice, very nice on the sky blue background. Beautiful, lovely, beautiful flowers which have been drawn. Dark indigo blue, deep indigo blue rather. Beautiful. It's really amazing. I'll just open it out a little bit more for you so that you can see the whole thing. Yeah, lovely, fabulous. The colors used are really nice, subtle. And as you can see, on the top and the bottom, you have lovely golden zari. And it's a very tall plant which has been drawn with the leaves or the branches in gray. It's almost elephant gray, and with the indigo flowers, and the background is beautiful sky blue. Very nice. And the edging, zari edging on the top and the bottom is really nice. Adds a lot of zing to the beautiful subtle colors here. Of course, the fabric is just amazing. Really amazing. You see the sheerness of the fabric is so good, and the feel is so soft. And I'm sure the fall of the saree will be beautiful. Lovely saree. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we'll have a look at this beautiful, very nice purplish pink hand painted chiffon saree. I'll just open it out to you. Color is so beautiful. It's pink, but it's got a very strong undertone of violet or purple. So it is very nice. Open it out to you. Saree is beautiful. It's really pretty. As you can see, the artist has hand painted this so much of skill. It's beautiful. On this lovely purplish pink background, you have this beautiful greenish, it's kind of a greenish gray leaves, and the flower itself is a deep purple with a beautiful little corolla of blue, cyan blue in center. So the use of colors is so nice. It's very nice. Very creative artist who's done this. So she's drawn it so beautifully. The leaves, almost elephant gray leaves with the purple, deep purple flowers, and the cyan blue center of the flower, the corolla. It looks beautiful. It's a nice long vine, so it almost extends to the height of the saree. It's really nice. Of course, at the top of the saree, as you can see, it's edged on both sides by lovely golden zari. And of course, if you drape the saree, you will experience the beauty of the lovely chiffon fabric. This is vegan chiffon, 100% vegan chiffon, and you can really enjoy the feel and the fall of this. Of course, if you want to see how sheer this is, I'll just show this to you. It's really lovely fabric, beautifully soft and sheer fabric, and very touches, very nice, very sensuous, very soft and smooth. It's top class chiffon. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we'll move on to this beautiful, lovely, yummy looking cheese yellow hand painted chiffon saree. I'll just open it out for you. Very nice. And on that, the artist has actually used a lovely dark blue finish. So I'll just open it out for you. Lovely. The way the artist planned on the cheese yellow background, very creamy cheese yellow, on which there's lovely blue flowers, beautiful blue flowers, large blue flowers have been drawn, and the leaves are so nice. Lovely green again, very bright, almost fluorescent green. So this is kind of abstract, the way the flowers and the leaves have been drawn. While it's elements of nature, the artist has used the creative liberty to pepper the whole background with the lovely fluorescent green leaves. So it looks very, very nice, and the fabric is very, very pretty. These paintings are repeated all over the saree. So I'm not opening it out now, but the same pattern is repeated all over the saree, and the feel is something which is amazing. The feel of the saree, the softness of the fabric is something which you really need to, I think probably crush the whole saree into my hands. I crush it. It's so sheer and so delicate. It's very lovely fabric. And if you want to see how sheer this is, I'll just show you how sheer this fabric is. I can just demonstrate that to you. Yeah, see, you can see it's so beautiful. Amazingly sheer the fabric is. It's light, it's soft, sheer, and it'll make a fabulous saree for those of you who like kind of fabric and the fall and the sheerness of this saree. You'll love this saree. Last but not the least, we'll come to this wonderful deep forest green hand painted chiffon saree, and just open it out for you. Wow. It's really amazing, really lovely color. Color itself is very, very pretty, and painting is just amazing on this color. I'll just open it out for you. Yeah, you fabulous. The painting is really lovely on this lovely deep and dark forest green. The beautiful, very pretty dusky pink flowers with a lighter shade of green, very yellowish green leaves, and of course the stems are in beautiful pink, nice light pink stems. So it's really, really nice, both on the top part of the saree and the bottom part of the saree. Painting is done, so it's really pretty, as you can see. I'll show it this way so you can see the way the painting has been done. It's really pretty, amazingly skillfully done, both on the top and the bottom of the saree. And this pattern repeats itself throughout the saree, and the color combination is really, really nice. The forest green with the dusky pink and the yellowish green leaves look very, very pretty, and the light pink winding stem which goes all over the saree gives it a very sensational, gives a lift to the whole saree. And of course the fabric is amazing. As we saw in the previous sarees also, fabric is really, really amazing. So soft to the touch and so lightweight. It's gossamer thin, and you need to see the thinness of the fabric. Really amazing, beautiful, sheer, thin, soft, and it will drape very, very well. I'm sure you'll enjoy touching, feeling, and draping this saree, and it will be sensational when you wear it. So it's an amazing saree. So I hope you enjoyed watching the saree, seeing the video of the saree and this entire collection of hand-painted chiffon sarees that we brought for you, specially brought for you. This is just after Diwali, so I'm sure you'll be shopping for lighter sarees which you can wear out for casual wear and so on. This will be a lovely party saree, lovely saree to wear out casually for any occasion. It's an amazing saree. So this is why we've launched this just after Diwali. And for those of you who are particular about vegan sarees, this is part of our vegan collection. This is 100% vegan. This is not completely, no silk is used in the production of this chiffon. So it's an amazing collection for those of you who prefer to buy vegan sarees. And thank you so much for watching. For those of you, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about all our videos which we keep uploading from time to time. At Avishya, we bring you sarees from all over the country, various sarees from all over the country, and we bring it under one roof. For those of you who are in Chennai, please walk into our store. Our store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. Please walk into the store. We'll be happy to show you the entire collection of hand-painted chiffons. Those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com online, and the entire collection is available there. We have an online team who are servicing you 24/7. You'll be able to they'll be able to answer all your queries, clear all your doubts. And of course, as you know, Avishya ships all over the world to over 40 countries. If you can choose a saree, we can ship it right to your doorstep. And thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.